Okay, so now that we've drilled these 5/8 inch holes and we've chamfered them, now we've got to cut them all up, and you'll see that it's we have to make 8 cuts to get 4 pieces, and you'll see that it is a lot easier to drill the holes and then cut the pieces up, because it's much easier to drill the holes in 4 holes in one large piece where you have something to hold on to than it is to have 4 of these tiny little pieces and try to put these big holes in a little tiny piece. So over to the saw. Clockwise. That's it. Real hard. Good. Okay, turn it on. Give it a little sploop. Boing. Okay, loosen it up. Okay. It'll burn you. Want to make sure you let these things cool off before you touch them.
Sure.
Let's do the next. You ready?
Yes.
That's the last one. Okay, what we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to take the old pieces. They're still warm, but they're not super hot. And we're just going to take them over to the grinder and take the sharp edges off. Now, we just have 2 more pieces to cut, so we have to put, you can put one together and I'll put one. Okay, I'm going to make a mark here. And then this one, okay, we'll call this one, this is the 2 dot one. 2 dots, 2 dots, this is the 1 dot one. 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. This one, I'm going to allow for the kerf. We'll do this so we only have to make 2 cuts. Oh! Okay.
There it goes.
Whoops, don't lose that piece. You see where it went?
Yeah, it's really hot though.
Careful, don't burn yourself either now.
Actually, it's not that hot.
Good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I found these collars. These are just something that I had laying around in the shop, but I'm going to use those for spacers on the end. And that will help me use my nylon lock nuts. I don't really want to use the nylon lock nuts and tighten them all the way down, because the nylon end spacer and the nylon lock nut is kept far away from the areas down here where I'm going to weld. So that's what our 2 spindles look like so far. Next thing is welding. Okay, we're back. We're getting ready to weld. I've put down an old piece of steel that I have laying around. As you can see, it's some scrap steel to weld on. And what we're going to do is I'm going to hold the welding tool. Margaret's going to pull the trigger, and we're both going to be able to tack weld these brackets together that hold the spindles. You ready? You've got your hand there? And go. Pull hard. Good, perfect. Another one. Pull hard. Okay. Now, we've got a good nugget there. This one we should do one more time. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Good. Okay. That's pretty good. I'm going to tack this side too. Okay, we got that one pretty well tacked together. I'm going to do 2 on the back. And then we'll do the other one.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you reach up and pull that trigger.
Okay.
Go. One more. Nice. 2. See how nice those little nuggets are on the back? They tack it together. Now we'll roll it over and we'll do the sides. Ready?
Okay.
And go.